Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix NFC is not working in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, update all your apps. After update all the apps, then open settings and then click on app updates, and here you can update all your apps. After update apps, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone. Now click on reset all settings and then click on reset. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.